this picture. It looks so delicious. I'm hungry. Me too. Let's order some food. Okay, sweet.
Hi ma'am, good morning. Welcome to Chill Out Cafe. How can I help you?
May I know what's available on your menu?
Here are the list of our menu. Frap, Americano, Latte Macchiato, Caramel Macchiato, Mocha, Hot Latte, Hot Tea, Cake, Matcha and Black Sesame Cheesecake, Milk and Cookies, Grandma Chocolate Chip Cookies, Mana Biscuit, Blueberry Cheesecake, Coffee Frap, Smoothie, Cappuccino, and Mocha.
What do you want? Caramel macchiato and blueberry cheesecake. Hello, I want one caramel macchiato, one coffee americano with full cream on top and 1 teaspoon of sugar on it. And also, I want one slice of blueberry cheesecake and grandma chocolate chips cookies.
Is that all, ma'am?
That's all. Thank you.
Let me repeat it for you, ma'am. 1 caramel macchiato, 1 coffee americano with full cream on top and 1 teaspoon sugar on it, 1 slice of blueberry cheesecake, and 1 grandma chocolate chips cookie. Expect your order in 20 minutes, ma'am. Thank you.